Hello viewers, welcome to Anisa's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Facebook. If you want to learn Android app development, access my playlist. In this video, I am going to solve the error of Gradle sync. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. To start a new project, click on Files, Open New, and then Open New Project. Select Empty View Activity. Write the name of your project and finish it. A new project is loading, and the Gradle sync is in progress. The best way to get rid of the error to start your activity and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Fast internet is necessary to fast synchronization of the Gradle. After the Gradle has been synced, this type of interface has been shown to you. You can now start creating your project. I hope you find my video easy to understand. For more informative videos, like and subscribe to Anisa's Tech Tutorials.